Hello, how are you? Just another quick update to our teaching and learning website. We have an update for, it's actually going up the 12th, but it will be the 6th. Click on that and it will bring you to this update. What we're going to be looking at today, you have already received this in your mailbox, but real-world connections, which will bring you to a form that looks like, let's twist it. So here we go, got it turned around. Real world topics, connecting the kids to your content and the things that you are covering and making it more engaging to them by connecting it to stuff that is important to them. This is particularly easy in things like social studies, when you can connect an historical event that you're covering to something that's happening now. That's typically pretty easy. So you can frame it to sort of get a kid more engaged because hopefully they have knowledge of what's going on in the world and it's important to them. This is a task that does require you getting to know your kids and having a pulse on your kids, as well as on your pedagogy and where you are and making those connections. But on the website and the page that was shared in your mailboxes, we get a little more in depth of how you can tackle this in your own classroom, what it might look like, and how you can just use it in practice. So just take a quick look at it, quick reads, about 2 or 3 minutes long, and maybe give it a try. Many of you are already doing this, but it's good when you're thinking and reflecting on your teaching. What are some of the things that you can do to make things more engaging? This is one of those little tricks. So feel free to send emails, comments, questions, concerns, all that stuff. Here for that. Thanks for stopping by.